How to create Instagram highlights. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So head over to your Instagram, tap on your profile, then tap on this plus icon, new one, where you will create a new highlight. Then all your stories that you have added till date will appear over here. Simply select the stories you want to add in highlight, tap on next. You can change your cover. You can also add it from the gallery and then write the topic of your highlight, or you can just skip it. And just like this, you have added a new highlight on your Instagram. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.